In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a text layer in Photoshop. Duplicating a text layer is one of those simple techniques that saves time and keeps your workflow flexible. Whether you want to create a shadow effect, experiment with different colors and fonts, or build multiple versions of a headline, a quick duplicate lets you try ideas without touching your original text. Start by making sure the correct text layer is selected in the Layers panel. The Layers panel is the control center for everything you stack in your document, and your text layer will appear there with the T icon. Click it once to highlight it. If you're ever unsure which layer you've selected, look for the highlighted bar in the panel and check that the layer name matches the text you want to duplicate. It's important that you're not actively editing the text on the canvas. If you see a blinking cursor inside your text, click on another tool or confirm your text so the layer itself is selected. Now for the shortcut that does the magic. On Windows, press Ctrl+J. On a Mac, press Command+J. The moment you do, Photoshop creates a perfect copy of your text layer. You'll see a new layer appear directly above the original in the Layers panel, usually with the word copy added to the name. The duplicate will sit in the exact same position on the canvas, so at first you might not notice a visual change. That's normal because both layers are stacked on top of each other. To confirm it worked, watch the Layers panel for the new layer, or toggle the visibility icon next to the top layer to see the duplicate appear and disappear. Everything about the text is preserved: font, size, color, alignment, and any layer effects such as strokes, shadows, or gradients. This is non-destructive, which means your original layer remains untouched. From here, you can use the duplicate to explore variations, change its color to create contrast, adjust its size for hierarchy, or reposition it to build a layered look. Keeping duplicates also helps with organization. Rename the new layer so you can quickly tell versions apart, and group related layers when your document grows. If the shortcut doesn't seem to respond, double check that the correct layer is highlighted and that no modal dialog or active text edit is blocking the command. That's all there is to it. Select your text layer, use the shortcut, and a duplicate appears instantly. It's fast,